of potato. Do you know why such an old driver likes to put a bag of potatoes on his car? You think it's for eating? I'm wrong. In fact, potatoes have these 4 wonderful functions in cars. Especially the last point, I learned that life can be saved at critical moments. First, when it rains. It's very easy to hang water drops on our rearview mirror. It affects the vision and is very dangerous when driving. We just need to cut the potato and wipe the mirror back and forth. Well, then, there will be no water drops on the rearview mirror. Second, after driving for a long time, these metal parts on the car are very prone to rust. And you can't clean it with your hands. What about us? This side aims at the position of rust and wipes the arm back and forth. Third, our friends who drive like to put a thermos cup in the car to keep healthy. But you see, this cup has been used for a long time, and it is full of tea dirt. Become particularly dirty, many people thought, I can't reach it. How to wash it? In fact, it's because your method is wrong. Let's cut the potatoes into pieces, pour them in, and soak them in water for a few minutes. See the effect later. Shake it hard. Do you think the tea stain on the cup has been cleaned up? What about after we drive for a long time? A thick oil film will form on the glass. And it can't be cleaned by hand. Driving on the road like this, you can't see anything. It's very dangerous. Let's find a piece of potato and wipe it back and forth in line with the position of the ink. Okay, next, let's water it and see how it works. Wow! See, the oil film is cleaned instantly. How about it? Is it particularly useful? Pay attention to Piggy Pay to the homepage and learn more about cars.